For today's buttercream flower piping tutorial, I will show you how to pipe an easy 5-petal flower using a curved petal tip. To begin, use a small amount of buttercream to attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. Alternately, these flowers can also be piped directly onto your cakes or cupcakes. Holding your curved petal tip with the narrow end facing out on the wide end near the center of your flower nail, we're going to apply pressure, pull out while turning, and then slowly pull back to your starting point. Release pressure and pull away. Form the next petal directly beside the first. We want these to touch but not overlap. So once again, I'm going to apply pressure, pull out while turning, and then pull back down to my center point. My tip is just moving up and down, and the turning motion is forming these petals. As we come in to pipe our final petal, we're going to lift our tip slightly. We don't want to drag it across that first petal. And that is how you create the basic 5-petal flower. Now we need to finish off the center, and my favorite way to do that is to actually just use a large sprinkle, but you could also just use some buttercream and a round tip to finish off the middle of your flower. And that is how easy it is to pipe a 5-petal buttercream flower using a curved petal tip. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link some more flower piping tutorials here for you. As always, thanks for watching.